Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day today and your time in quarantine is being well spent productively if you somehow can. And now a lot of us at the moment are doing a lot of self-care at home, and if you're like me and like to upkeep your beauty stuff and you like doing like tanning and waxing and nails and hair and all that kind of fun stuff, then this video might be for you. So today you might notice that I'm looking a little bit more brown and tanned and toasty and like I've been on a holiday, more so than I usually do, and that is because the latest product that has landed on my desk here is a tanning foam by Golden Goddess Tan, and it's a self-tan mousse. Now this comes in a pretty generous, huge 200 ml bottle, and it's got a pump here, super easy to use. You can purchase one of their mitts as well, which I'll have their website linked below if you want to check that out. They have some other great tanning related products as well available. Now what's great about this product is it is Australian, so come on and get behind Australian companies. It's so important more than ever right now. This product has no nasty tanning smell. It's actually pomegranate scented, so it smells so good. It's also cruelty free, vegan friendly. There are no nasty chemicals or parabens in this product. It's also 100% natural DHA and it's certified organic. Now what I love about tanning foams and tanning mousses in general, and especially this one, is that it goes on, and it goes on so evenly and smoothly, and once you've let it develop and you wash it off, there are no streaky marks or like funny like splotchy patches or anything like that. As long as you're doing the right thing with tanning, as tanning rules go, you know, you always exfoliate and shave or wax first. Make sure there's no moisturizers, perfumes or anything on your skin. That'll help your tan look and develop the best to the best of its ability. So the formula of this mousse is really light and airy. As you can see, as I'm applying it on, it just goes on so smoothly and easily and evenly as well. It doesn't leave you with that orange looking fake tan, like an obvious fake tan look. It's actually really golden toasty brown. Like, it's so beautiful. You don't have any like orange tone to your skin at all. It's so nice. The development time of this mousse is 2 to 8 hours. So depending on how dark you want your tan to look, you can let it sit for the full 8 hours if you want super dark. Or if you just want like a little bit of a toasty golden glow like me, I only let it set for 2 hours. Also, of course, depending on your skin type and your skin tone naturally will also depend on the color outcome that you will get. And this is in dark, so it does come up really like nicely, and you can get that really dark tan if that's something that you're after with this product. So this product is super easy to get. It's available online on their website. It's $19.95 and they do offer zip pay and afterpay, so it's so easy to and affordable to get. And also it is available at selected beauty and hair salons Australia wide, so I'll have linked below the stockist link for you guys if you want to check that out, if you want to go in and see if your local salon does provide this. And if you do decide to purchase this online, make sure you sign up to their newsletter because you do get 20% off. So that is an amazing deal, such a good price. So as you can see, this is my before and after sort of a little full body clip, so you can see my skin is naturally super white and kind of pasty looking. I'm very naturally have like non-tanning kind of skin. I just don't go in the sun, and if I do tan, I definitely go the fake route. It's just way more healthier. And as you can see from applying the tan, my skin is like a couple of tones darker now, and that is with the 2 hours of developing time, so the minimum amount of developing time. So I could have gone way darker, of course, so you can get an idea of how much darker this could go if you did wait the full 8 hours. But just with the 2 hour developing time, you can see that I have gone a few shades darker in my skin. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my review of Golden Goddess Tan. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. And if you're wanting to get your tan on during isolation, I highly recommend checking these guys out. So affordable, such great quality Australian brands. So get on there and support your local business during this time. And I really hope you enjoy, and let me know if you do try this out. I would love to hear your results, and let me know in the comments below your tanning tips. I would love to hear those, and we can help each other out to get the best tan possible. And like we're on a little holiday during this isolation time, so we can all just make the best of it. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.